ये तो थोड़ा सीन कवर करके ना फिर चलते हैं। And this is the area near Model Town, Deep Hospital Road, and you can see how much flooded the streets are. And it's already been half an hour, more than half an hour the rain has been stopped, but it's already very flooded streets here. You can see an example how much water it is. Actually on the left hand side the water level is more than on the center of the street, and on the right hand side it's Deep Hospital. So this is one of the most posh area of the Ludhiana and it's so much flooded. You can see how much facilities you get during the rainy season. You get to enjoy the flooded streets like in Bombay. So I hope you are enjoying the video. As soon as I get out from these flooded streets, so that will be all for this video, but I need to get out. And so much hodgepodge. Actually, you don't need to apply any brakes at all, because the force of the water is so much that my transport automatically stops. Oh man, he's enjoying with his bigger tires. This is one of the posh area of Ludhiana, where you are seeing all this action happening. Huh? Oh, मोटे गड़बड़ होगी कोई, मोटे गड़बड़ होगी। हो गया काम, हो गए अपने आप ही रेस गई, अपने आप ही रेस चलनी जा रही है जी। So it's all for this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. See you.